Hey everybody, Naturalist Linda here. Today we're going to be sort of in the kitchen. We're going to make the bird butter recipe that seems like every bird that comes to my feeders at home loves. So chickadees, titmice, nuthatches, woodpeckers, bluebirds, especially the bluebirds, white-throated sparrows. I mean, everything seems to love this. And it's a very simple recipe that you can make at home. And it'll last a pretty long time too. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to make this. So you need a pan, you need your ingredients, and we're going to start off with a cup of Crisco, the solid Crisco, but I suppose you could use lard if you wanted, rendered fat. A cup of peanut butter, so a cup of Crisco, a cup of peanut butter, and then 2 cups of cornmeal. And then if you want to add some extra stuff at the end, we put sunflower hearts in it. So I'm going to put my pan on the little stove here. I'm going to dump in the peanut butter and the Crisco, and we'll get that melting together. There goes Crisco. The peanut butter. Oh, sticky. Oh my gosh. And we'll just let that melt together. You don't have to, heat it on high heat or anything, just a slow, low temperature so that it melts together. All right. All right, so once it's melted, you can go ahead and take your 2 cups of cornmeal and just pour it in. Probably did that way, and then stir it in. Stir it in till it's all absorbed in there. Okay, let's see here. Wait a minute. All right, and once you add the cornmeal, then if you want to add anything else, some people add peanut pieces or black oiled seed. We are going to add some sunflower hearts to our bird butter. And so just dump those in. Give it a good stir so that they get mixed throughout. And then the next step is that you would put the whole pan, you could put it in the refrigerator and let it solidify. But what we're going to do is we're using some of the containers that those pre-made suet cakes come in. So we're getting double use out of this. So I'm just going to ladle some of that into these. And then I'm going to put these in the refrigerator to solidify. And then you can put the whole thing like in a suet basket, or you can just break it up and put it on a platform feeder. Any way you offer it, the birds will love it. Oh! So after that, just pop them in the refrigerator for a few hours until it's solidified, and then you're good to go. So enjoy.